Have you ever been interested in leather, but you feel stuck and you haven't even gotten started yet? I want you to know you're not alone. In today's world of online videos, information at your fingertips, most content creators, they never really explain what it is to make leatherworking a skill. They'll usually share the next project, the tools, the next trend. And it makes sense. That's how they get their views. But beginners can really get overwhelmed with that kind of content. I know I did. My name's Dragon. I'm the owner of T&D Design and Sundries, and for the last 2 years, I've been making a pretty good living on leatherwork. And before that, I never even touched leather. I built this community because I went through that confusion too. I spent over a year absorbing everything that I could about leatherwork. I paid for courses, I watched YouTube videos, thousands of hours of information just cramming it into my head, and I was still nervous the first time I picked up a knife to cut through that leather. My turning point was after I finally started cutting the leather. I got over that initial nervousness, and I started going through all of the information that I absorbed over that year, and I boiled it down to what I needed. I figured out what actually mattered, what was extra nice to have, and what was just fluff. Inside Learn Leather Now, we focus on clarity, the fundamentals, and confidence first, before anything else. I take everything that I learned in that year of study and everything that I've learned since, and I break it down so hopefully it makes more sense. And our free foundations course will actually walk you through everything you need to know before you pick up that knife for the first time or before you buy that first hide. If you want to develop real skills without years of guesswork, you're in the right place. So go ahead and start with the foundations course, introduce yourself in the community, and let's get to work.